Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create free speed voiceovers using S-Free. No login, no software required. If you're a YouTuber, animator, or content creator, this tool can save you a lot of time. Open ttsfree.com, free text-to-speech tool needed. No account or registration. Supports 130 languages and 800 plus. Voices uses Google Cloud TTS API. Fully browser-based, no downloads. How to generate voice from text, step-by-step walkthrough. Paste your text in the input box. Welcome to my channel. Choose your language. Select a voice. Adjust speed and pitch. Click play to preview. Click download to save the voice file. Speed options: slow, normal. Fast. Some voices support full speed control. Fast voice is ideal for YouTube. Shorts or quick explainers show the same sentence in slow speed, normal speed, speed fast. Use audio examples so viewers hear the difference. Pros and limitations: 100% free. No sign up needed. High quality voices, quick preview and download, multiple languages and styles. Limitations: daily usage limits. Long texts may not convert properly. Not all voices support pitch. Speed adjustments may lag if servers are busy. Smart tips and tricks: use CapCut. Canva to add background music. Break your script into parts for better control. Combine voices for dialogue or character effects. Translate text via Google Translate for multilingual content. Add subtitles and sync with fast voice for shorts or reels. Final thoughts and call to action, whether you're a beginner or pro. This tool is super handy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which voice you liked best. And that's how you can create speed voiceovers completely free using ttsfree.com.